A video here on Mullen Automotive. Monday here, 13 cents for Mullen Automotive, 214 million trades today of Mullen Automotive. Very, very significant trading volume again. Probably second most heavily traded stock on the market today behind a crazy day for AMC. But nonetheless, Mullen Automotive at 14 cents now or 13 cents now after hours. Again, I just want to reiterate that I'm not holding any Mullen. I'm not recommending to even put Mullen on a watch list right now. I'm just making this video because I have covered Mullen now pretty extensively, and I'm going to continue to do so for anyone that does watch these videos. Full transparency, again, I was a holder of Mullen, got out of my position, and I've been watching from the sidelines kind of ever since here. But let's get right into this update. Again, not financial advice at all, but again, like I said, most heavily traded stock on the market today. Something interesting that I read, right? U.S. EV maker, this article came out today. U.S. EV maker lets drivers lock and unlock vehicles with a glance, right? So U.S. EV maker Mullen Automotive is enabling owners of its commercial and consumer vehicles to lock and unlock vehicle doors and initiate functions including safety features and charging options with their face. Mullen is integrating AI-powered biometric solution known as Persona into all of its vehicle ranges after testing the technology with consumers late last year. Here's the quote here. An ideal commercial use case scenario for Persona is a high volume package last mile delivery cargo vans, providing greater delivery efficiency and driver safety. In many cases, drivers on high volume routes with multiple stops on each street required to secure a delivery vehicle before each delivery package, Mullen explains. This can often result in added time and stress and reduced overall efficiency for the route and driver. Persona's facial recognition can solve this issue by recognizing the driver from a distance of 8 to 10 feet and automatically unlocking the vehicle and turning it on, ready for the driver to jump in and head to the next stop down the street. Now, taking a look at this, just envisioning like how this would work on a day-to-day basis, I think this is pretty cool. I don't know, like, if this is going to end up coming out and actually happening, just because what we know about Mullen Automotive and the things that they say and they're going to do and they actually do it. But I think this is cool, and I definitely think this could be a game changer for delivery drivers, especially in like really dense urban environments and things like that. I think this could really be a game changer. So definitely interesting, and probably other EV makers are like in the works on something like this, but I haven't seen anyone, at least from the average consumer. I haven't seen any sort of EV makers doing anything like this. So I think this is definitely interesting for Mullen Automotive here. Taking a look at a few other tweets here, there's obviously a ton of bear sentiment on Twitter, specifically targeting the CEO of Mullen. So someone's tweeting at David McCree, "This is the sentiment most investors right now. I love Mullen and Mullen for the company like this. Let's fix this. I know you've been releasing all kinds of good news and nothing seems to help. My thought is the only like you when the price is better. Time to focus on the price. Mullen needs to be sued. You can't screw retail like this." And then some follow-up tweets here, like the problem is not Mullen. David Vickery, that is a threat to Mullen succeeding. He seems mostly absorbed with decreasing his own value in the companies, etc., etc. Now, there's like kind of in this pattern here with David Vickery. You can see your Mullen failure to deliver in the next 2 weeks is approximately 269,178,955 shorts. Created for the impossible to become possible. Go Mullen. Right, I guess this is some shorts here. And then also, David McCree, it's amazing how he thinks he can basically bankrupt retail shareholders, including my investment, and try to get away with it. Nothing happening at all. Attorneys and SC Gov will be coming for David. Look at my investment. It's Jackass Longtime Holder X, Y, and Z. So again, if you go on Twitter and you just type in hashtag or $Mullen, MULN, you can see a ton of tweets similar to this. Again, like a lot of people here tagging David McCree, the CEO of Mullen. I think just in my opinion, there are some things that are obviously out of his control, but I do think because he did come out and talk about being in support of the retail investor and looking to create things that will benefit retail investors, especially those that have invested into Mullen, I think it's definitely interesting. You can see here just more bearish tweets here in regards to Mullen. And this is something interesting as well. 007 Bull 07, again, I think he was and maybe still is a Mullen supporter here. Or he or she, sorry. I know this is supposed to be very controversial, but I always give you the good and the bad and the ugly. I'm a big fan of Mullen commercial products, but dislike CEO, he's a big lie. I feel the Florida judge also sees how scam David is, why they put a hold on IRS. So I guess there's been a hold after surveying the RS and 94% against it, which is perfect. This complex dynamic makes everything with Mullen complicated. The stock doesn't trade as it should be, leaving the majority of shareholders, 99%, down on 99% of their investments. The company faced over 70,000 dilution in less than 2 years, and a $2 billion dilution is about to hit the market. Please think before voting yes to RS, a company that is being run the most corrupt CEO. Unity is crucial if we want to win. Now that is talking about the Mullen proxy here. I believe August 3rd is the date. I think like the voting and everything will go live. I think you can do it online right now. I think a lot of people were mailed, I guess, to vote as well, like via mail. So make sure you guys, if you are holding Mullen, to take part in that. But again, let me know in the comments what you guys feel about all this. Obviously, a ton of fun and bearishness going on with this stock right now, but it continues to trade at insane trading levels. So let me know in the comments below. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.